Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to book Japan Airlines business class with credit card points. Japan Airlines is one of the best airlines to fly between the US and Japan, especially in business class. The seats, food, and the service are top-notch. But here's the problem. You can't transfer credit card points directly to Japan Airlines. The workaround is to use American Airlines A Advantage Miles, since Japan Airlines and American Airlines are both part of the One World Alliance. Here's how you do it step by step. First, open the American Airlines app or website. Select one way instead of round trip. For this example, let's start from New York JFK going to Tokyo. And make sure you choose all airports so it includes both Haneda and Narita. Next, pick your date and set the cabin to business class. Then hit the Redeem Miles button and search. Now, you'll see lots of options. Some very expensive, but keep scrolling. What you want is the Japan Airlines non-stop business class flight for 60,000 A Advantage Mile plus taxes. For example, there's one that leaves at 12:40 p.m. from JFK and arrives the next day in Tokyo at 5:15 p.m. That's about 14 and a half hours direct. If the app or website doesn't let you book, just call American Airlines, give them the date and flight, and they'll book it for you. Finally, if you don't already have A Advantage Miles, they are pretty easy to earn. Citi and Barclays both offer American Airlines credit cards with sign-up bonuses of 60 to 70,000 miles after your first purchase. That's enough for a one-way business class ticket to Japan on Japan Airlines. So that's how you book Japan Airlines business class with credit card points using American Airlines miles. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.